and you're finally welcome to the introductory part. Here I will be showing you the Bizier tool and what each tool in the Bizier tool stands for. You may have been seeing this Bizier tool, but you don't know how to use it. You don't know what the tool is used for. Today I'll show you in the simplest form what you can use each tool for and how they are used. And when we move further in the training, you will see how amazing, you will see how powerful this tool is. Most people don't teach this in class because some of them find it hard to use. Some of them know how to use it, but they don't know how to explain it to other people. And congratulations once again, you are welcome. Follow me. Don't skip any part of this training, as every part are very, very important. Click on the Bizier tool here. Follow me carefully, please. This is a tool. If you are familiar with pixellab very well, you will know what Bizier tool is. Click on it. Yes. This is the interface, and I will be explaining it one after the other. Let's start with the Bizier mode. This three tools here. Let's start with it. This first one by my right is for moving the tool. Can you see? If you want to move it around. And this second one is for action, for rotating the note. These are notes. Can you see? And this third one is for adding notes. If you want to add more notes, you will know how to use it later when we move forward. And let's move further to this one, actions. By my left here, the first one here, when you click on it, it's for decreasing the notes. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? And this one, the second one, is for joining. When you want to join two more notes together, as what the second one is for. This one is for scale. You want to increase it, or you want to decrease it or increase it. Can you see? And this one is for rotating. Maybe you want to change the direction of what you are doing. This one is to increase the stroke and decrease the stroke. Then this one is opacity. Opacity. We have the stroke color. Can you see? And we have the stroke opacity. Now let me move forward. This one's here. The first one by my right is when you have, it cannot work now because I'm only working with two notes. When you have many notes and you want to remove it, you can use this one to remove it. Same thing with this. This can also work now because I'm just working with just two notes. When you have many and you want to move from one to another, that is when to use this one. You understand these functions, all of these functions better when I start to implement it. This one is to copy. Can you see? Can you see? If you merge all of this together, you can actually use it in your design as background or to decorate your design. Can you see this is going to be making sense? So, can you see? I've I have many notes now. So this and this, I can actually use it to move from one note to another. Look at what I'm saying. I am on the first one. Let me change the color so that you can see. Can you see? Now, if I want to move from the first one to another one, I will use this one. Follow me carefully, please. Can you see? If I want to move to the third one, you will understand when I start implementing it. When I start the implementation, you will understand better. Can you see? That is what this one I use for. And the last one here, this plus sign, is when you want to add another two entirely. Can you see? Like I want to work on another thing. This is what this is used for. Can you see? Can you see? Because in some design you will be using, you can use up to 3, 4, 5, 6 to any amount. It depends on how complex what you want to work on is. So these are the two. When I start the implementation, you will understand better. That is when you are going to get the clear picture of what all this thing is used for. This is just to, this is just to get you familiar with what we will be using and how we're going to use it. But the better understanding will comes in when we start using it to do something. See you in the next video.